where the emperor used to meet his public, and Diwani Khas, where the emperor used to meet his nobles. So you know the difference between both, that is Diwani Am and Diwani Khas. Diwani Am, where the emperor used to receive his public, and Diwani Khas, where the emperor used to receive his nobles. And every evening in this red fort there will be a kind of light and sound system in order to have some sort of entertainment. And on the 15th of August, national flag is hoisted here, and the Prime Minister addresses the people. So now you know the importance of Red Fort, and Red Fort is built by whom and which century. Okay, then we will go to another historical importance, that is Qutub Minar. You might have heard of that. It is the highest tower. So it is a famous tower situated in Mehrauli, and it is 73 meters high. So Qutub Minar is the famous tower situated in Mehrauli, and its height is 73 meters. And it was built in 1199 by Qutbuddin Aibak. So what you have to remember is Qutub Minar is the famous tower situated in Mehrauli, and the height of it is 73 meters. And it is built by whom? Built by Qutbuddin Aibak in 1199. So that is clear to you. Again, the recent monument. Monument means a building. The recent building is the Janta Mandir, built by Maharaja Jai Singh II of Jaipur. So the recent monument, the next monument is the Janta Mandir. It is built by Maharaja Jai Singh II of Jaipur, and it is built between 1723 and 1735. And it is used as the observatory to study about sun and the planets. So now we have already learned about Red Fort, and you know about Red Fort. And the next one is Qutub Minar, and the next one is Janta Mandir. It is built by whom? It is built by Maharaja Jai Singh II of Jaipur. So that is clear to you, I hope. And Delhi also has many other tourist attractions. Delhi also has many tourist attractions. They also include Humayun's Tomb, Lodi Gardens, Nehru Planetarium, and International Dolls Museum, the National Museum, Gandhi Memorial, and the Zoological Park. So apart from Red Fort, Qutub Minar, Janta Mandir, many other historical interests are there in Delhi. That is, as I said, Humayun's Tomb, Lodi Gardens, Nehru Planetarium, Sanghas International Dolls Museum, National Museum, and also Gandhi Memorial and Zoological Park. You have to underline all this and write and learn the names of this historical interest. There are also places of worship of all peoples, not only the Hindus or Christians or Muslims. Most of the religions have a place of worship there. That is, many of them being the buildings of great historical importance. Among them are the Birla Mandir and the Swami Narayana Temple, Jama Masjid and Nizamuddin Dargah, Gurudwara Bangla Sahib and Gurudwara and St. James Church and Sacred Heart Cathedral, and the beautiful lotus temple that is built in the shape of flower lotus. So there are many places of worship of many religions, include that is Birla Mandir, Swami Narayana Temple, Jama Masjid, and Gurudwaras, and St. James Church and Sacred Heart Cathedral, and also the famous Lotus Temple. Famous Lotus Temple, that temple which is built in the shape of flower lotus. So with this we completed the chapter Delhi. With 2 classes I have completed, and I hope you have understood, and also you are reading the textbook and learning the question answers. And the important point is that you have to underline the important places such as tourist attractions, historical monuments, and also about the climate of Delhi, and also the life of the people of Delhi. So the important points you have to underline, read the textbook, and if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the Zoom class. Thank you.